AGCO Reman is the smart, reliable, and cost-effective way to replace vital parts in the maintenance of your AGCO machine.
Ain't Reman just engines? My tractor don't need a new engine.
We don't just remanufacture engines. We also do transmissions, injectors, even electronics. Reman now covers over 6,000 replacement parts.
If it costs the same as a new part, then why would I bother?
It's not the same price, it's cheaper. Up to 30% cheaper, actually.
I can't afford to wait around until I get my parts back.
You don't have to. There's no waiting around for these parts. You swap your old part for a remanufactured one.
Sustainability? It's just a gimmick, right?
No gimmicks here. Remanufacturing uses 85% less resources.
New parts get a warranty though.
Well, so does AGCO Reman. We remanufacture to the original specification, and it's backed by a 12-month warranty.
There's no reason not to then.
AGCO Reman. Great value for you. Good news for the planet.